Hey lovelies, it's been a long time and I'm back. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're all doing well. And I'm just giving you a little bit of tour. You know, this is my favorite time. So this is how the yard looks right now. This is, of course, my persimmon, aka her name is Yvonne. If you know, you know why it's Yvonne. And I am looking at my kiwis and they're coming out. So my persimmon is starting already. You could see them. These are the persimmon. They're coming up. They're getting ready to start and everything. My mom has done a beautiful job of weeding this whole place out, and I'm getting ready to reconfigure my entire garden. So this is why it looks like this, and I'm getting ready to mark out my new shed that's coming right here. These I have to relocate them. So that's what that is here. And I don't know, I don't know if this is dead. Oh, it's coming back. My grape, it's coming back. I thought it might have died or something like that, but this is how the garden looks. And this is everything. This is a guava. This, of course, these are onions. And you can see right here, look who is getting ready to start coming out. Those are my spinach. They're starting to come back out. And this whole place, I have to redo it. And this is my pomegranate. And she's starting to come back out. And this is my muscadine vine that's coming back out. So that's what it is right now. These are all stuff that I'm going to be using as usual. Compost from throughout the whole season. This, I did not plant it, but that's a sunflower. That's going to be coming up. I actually got these today. And look at my new baby. If you know, you know my passion. So, yeah. So that's what this is. And this is liquid gold. So that's what that is. And I'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit more. Let me see if I could get this open. Hold on one second, guys, while I get this open. So here, guess who is coming up already? My peonies. If anyone knows, I love peonies, and they're starting to come back up already. So that's how everything is looking right now. My peonies are coming up. I can't wait. Oops. This is on my peony. So see, they're getting ready to open. And I'm just praying that it does not get cold where I lose my peonies. I'm just praying and hoping I don't lose my peonies to the cold. To the cold. Yeah, so that is what I am doing right now. These were cut today. These are my azaleas, so that's what is going on here. So that is everything. This is a quick video. It's not going to be long because this is the beginning of the season. This, I had cut this down. It's coming back up. I'm getting it. And the gardener should have cut it today. He didn't, but I'll just remind him. But that's the way how everything is. My peonies are coming back out. I can't wait for them. I look forward to seeing them every year. These are some, forgot what they're called, but they bloom yellow. And then these are some baby sunflower on there. That's what that is. Okay. And over here, we're having, everything is coming out here. So they're starting to come out. Everything is coming out. Can't wait to see them, but you guys will be seeing more of me. And this is me. The beginning has actually come. This is my favorite time of year because it's planting season and I like to be outside in the yard. So can't wait to see you guys. Thank you, lovelies, for being here with me today. And I hope wherever you are, you're having a peaceful, relaxing, blessed day. And just remember that, you know, you have to take care of yourself. Health is the ultimate wealth. and be kind to yourself, okay? Don't wait for somebody else to be kind to you. Be kind to yourself. Give yourself grace and give others grace. And make sure to always tell each other, tell the people you love how you feel about them, because today's promise, tomorrow's not. Here's another one that's coming out. So that's what that is. And this is it. And of course I have those are water barrels, and those I'm going to be using. They're going to be replacing these. So, but I'm keeping these. I'm going to be using the water out of them before I get rid of them. So once I do that, then that will be, it's going to be a big transformation in my backyard this year. So I hope you guys are ready for the ride. So until next time, Lovelies, see you. Bye. Bye, Lovelies.